Bro, they're gonna come around, I'm telling you. Oh, I see him. Chris is already coming around. Chris is already coming around. Yo, Zach's down there. Shot. Are you fucking kidding me? Bro, I'm so fucked. I'm so fucked. Fuck! Chris, you can't do that. Shoot over something. Hit!
There we go!
Oh. No, you didn't.
Yeah, just back here.
You did. Yo, right here.
Yo, you just got hit in the head.
Yo, we gotta push. We gotta push, bro. Yo, one's behind this garage.
Oh!
Yes, sir.
I swear you hit my gun.
No, that counts.
I swear I didn't get hit.
Then you can't use the gun then.
Are you kidding me?
If you...
That is not a rule. Alright, ready?
Yo, I hit Chris once.
Yo, TJ. Yeah. Wish I had the
Yo,
mask
go
for
back,
that one.
go back and get back in. Hurry up.
Yeah, wish I had the mask for that one. I just got drilled in the face.
Really? Colin. All right, Chris, you're out. Where?
Down there.
Yo, I'm leaving my pistol here. Got Zach. Zach, are you out?
I definitely got you too.
No, you did not. Yo, one on me, one on me, one on me. One on me, one on me.
Rob, are you out?
No, Zach's out, Zach's out.
No, but...
Yo, Chris is this way. Yo, Rob ran this way, Chris is that way. Oh, there he is. Chris is 4. Chris is 4 past where that tree is. I'll watch this way. Wait, he just peeked his head up. Rob's by the slide. Yo, Chris is over there. Rob's by the slide. Yo, Rob, push this way. Rob, push left. Ah, hit. Yo, what happened to no cars? I have one more life. You can't shoot mine. Ah, hit.